All right, bass fans, Dave Holbrook fishing here. Jesse and I caught about 8 keepers today. We kept 5. Jesse threw away 2 keepers earlier before we decided to get our big weight. But stay tuned here. We're going to show you what we caught. All the fish you're going to see in this box come on a jig, wacky rig, and I caught 2 on a spook early this morning. So stay tuned. Oh. Never did wait.
Got one. Yeah.
Come on, boy, get him in here. You ain't got out of practice, are you? Oh man, come on with it. That's what I'm talking about. That's the pieces right there, boy. Right against that wall, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, look at that, there's nothing here. Ain't as big as Jesse's, but it'll work. Yeah. I'd take off running with it before you set the hook. That's a Kentucky though. Well, they ate that jig. Another baby. No.
Got it.
Right off the back corner. Oh, come on, buddy. I got you. I got you. He wasn't that big, was he?
No.
Saw him come and eat it. Saw him come and eat it. Put the brush hog on. No baby bush hog. You didn't get a fish out of there, man. You gotta be shitting me.
Good one.
Good one?
Yeah.
Keep it down. Get this out of the way. Oh. Camera was on, so we're good. Good one, man. That's 2 keepers for you, dude. 2 keepers. Oh, shit. Look at that bad boy. He hit that Cinco right on the side of that dock, man, and he took me for a run. I thought I was in a brush pile. Took Jesse a little bit to get him out of there, but that's a good fish out there, boy. Good fish. Got a wacky?
Yep. He wasn't coming on.
I don't really set the hook on a wacky.
Yep.
I don't really set the hook. Go ahead and get with that.
You never want to set that hook or? I mean, it was underwater for 3 seconds. You're like, well, the last 2 times I feel good to get out of the jet.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, come on.
He got all the way going.
Look at that. Right back in these flats, boys. Right back in these flats. Spiggins, spiggins.
How much time?
Oh, he wasn't hooked that good, man.
He was all down his throat. I
Yeah.
couldn't. Hold on, boys. Hold on.
There you go, boys. There was a spook back in these flats, about 6 feet of water, boat sitting in about 6, and I'm throwing it against them walls, which is about probably 2 or 3 feet, and they chomping it, boys, chomping it. And he ain't even Kentucky.
Where's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
Yes. Man, this one's good. He swallowed it?
So he keep? turn that back on.
Yeah. That's a Kentucky, ain't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Or is that a black?
Kentucky.
Is it?
Oh, that's big.
Is it? Hey. That's the fifth one, ain't it?
Yeah. Kentucky. Oh man, hold on. Tell you something. As soon as it hit the water, boy, as soon as it hit the water.
Big size. You remember what color Kentucky was?
It's on the small side.